So this is Ibera PakRak Touring Carrier Plus, which I'm going to install on my Triban 120 gravel. You can see the description here. And this is specific to disc brake. And about the dimensions, you can see here. I'm gonna fit the Ibera PakRak on my gravel bike Triban 120 XLE. You can see it has mounting points on this and near derailleur on the other side. It's a 6061 aluminum frame, has carbon fork, has a 1x10 gear, has disc brakes, tubeless, and even the handlebars are aluminum. This is Ibera PakRak bicycle carrier. It's a IBRA4, IBRA5 PakRak carrier from Ibera. So I'm going to install this on my Triban gravel 120 on this slot, high slot. I think this is for carrier and this is for probably the mud guard. So I'm gonna install the base pole into the first highlight of RC 120 gravel Triban. This is a long bolt and it has a washer, and I will insert this hole first and then the spacer and then put it here. Okay, I will keep this bit loose so that I can adjust it a bit later. Okay, so this bracket here, okay, has to go on this slot which will hold this rod, and I can fix it here to the frame like this. Okay, like this. Right now I'm putting this holder, and you can see there is another highlight where I can fit this here, and this goes to the frame. Okay, so I have put these holders. Actually this eyelet will go inside, I think, so that I can put here and then fit it to the frame. Okay, so I'm gonna slide this here and the other side as well. See, I kept these poles, everything loose, not tightening it immediately. Okay, so yeah, I kept it here. Okay, both the sides I put. Now it has gone down. All right, now so I'm gonna put this rod here inside this and then keep this here. Okay, this one, right? So I will I have another rounded Allen keys which will go here. Put them loosely now and I'll tighten it a little bit. Okay, same thing goes with these screws on the other side. Now I have fitted loosely this one. If you see, it is coming outside, and if you look at this here, this rod has gone inside that eyelet. It is still loose so that I can fit it properly later. And you can see that this pole is fitted with this spacer here, okay? And if you notice, the gap between the tire and the rack is very less. I want to push it a little bit upper so that it has some good clearance, okay? So I just use this level meter so that I can make it level, okay? This is from IKEA, and if you see this gap here, it is very acceptable, and I think this is the max it can go. Right now I have all these boards a little bit loose so that I can fix it. So here we have the holder for the carrier, and we have fitted here the to the frame. And if you see here, these are the sliders, okay, where we can still adjust the alignment symmetrically. And I have chosen the out of three, the middle one. It is appropriate for me, and you can see that I put the left side with the spacer, and you can see there's a good gap between the disc and the cycle. I'll show you the other side. So this side, there's a spacer, chain sprockets, and again I put it in the center, and this is how it looks. And you can see, again I'm showing you the clearance, and you can see the bubble right in the middle. I mean, I'm a bit precise here, but you can adjust to your thing. If it is flat, it is good. More flat, it is good. Otherwise, you might have to manage the luggage. So I'm going to remove this mud guard. Actually, there was a zip tag from here, and I'm going to place it underneath the carrier like this. Okay. So it's gonna come like this, and I'm gonna push it a little bit here. So the replacement of mudguard is also neat. So I'm gonna put this zipper tag here, and I'll show you later. So this is a zipper tag, and I fit this mudguard, which is tucked underneath the carrier. Alright, so this was here earlier. It was looking a bit hard, but I put it here. Now another change I made is this one, rear brake light from Matching. So I had put this thing under the seat, I removed that and I put here. Okay, now this is what I wanted. Earlier I was thinking how to replace it, so it is fit properly into these rods of this carrier. And to make it more secure, I have these zip ties. Okay, so just put this. So now this rear light is secure with zip ties. Here, if you see, I'm gonna cut them. Right, so if you see, it is fully finished. Okay, so you can see my mud guard. This mud guard is from Decathlon. It cost around 300 rupees or 200, and this is Ibera PakRak Carrier. So I fixed my Ibera PakRak Carrier to my Triban Gravel 120. So I started with this screw. I put this hole first with the spacer here, and then I inserted the carrier, and then I have put the screw on the middle because it fits properly for me with the proper gap between tire and the rack. And here also you can see the slot. This slot is for adjustable, and you can put these rods so that you can secure this carrier. So these are adjustable, so I kept it all these screws loose so that I can adjust properly, right? And this is very level to the ground. Okay, and I moved my mud guard to here. Okay, you can see this, and then the rear light, which was put here with the holder, same holder which fits here, as fitted here. And this is the light, how it is in the right place. So if you had light here, and if you had a luggage on the carrier, it might have obstructed. So I moved the rear light from here to here. So this is how it looks now. Okay, you can see, come from the other side. And you can see it's fitted well with a good gap between tire and the carrier. Make sure that you start at this point with the spacer. Keep it loose, don't make it tight, so that you can adjust the carrier for the proper leveling and proper adjustment, because this is the universal carrier, so it should be fitting all the bicycles. And another thing you should know, that since this is a disc brake, the model is quite different than the clamp brakes, okay, or rim brakes. So the reason is, you cannot fit this carrier because there are a lot of obstructions, like here, the derailleur and the disc brake pistons. Okay, so you have to make sure that you buy the right model of Ibera PakRak so that you can fit it without hassle. Alright, thank you so much for watching the video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.